Hey everyone. Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Perplexity AI account step by step in 2026. Yeah, if you want to unlock features like saved history, better responses, and personalized usage, creating an account is the best way to get started because honestly, using it without an account is limited. So first, go to the Perplexity AI website. Um, Open your browser and search for Perplexity AI. Then click on the official site to access the homepage. Next, click on the sign up button. Yeah, you'll usually see a sign up or get started option at the top right corner. So click on that to begin the registration process. After that, choose your sign up method. Uh, you can sign up using your Google account, Apple ID, or email address, depending on what's available. And using Google is usually the fastest option. Also, enter your details if needed. Yeah, if you choose email sign up, you'll need to enter your email and create a secure password, so make sure it's strong and easy to remember. And yeah, verify your account. So check your email inbox for a verification link and click on it to activate your account, because without verification, you might not get full access. Finally, log in and start using Perplexity AI. Most of the time, once you're signed in, you can begin asking questions, saving searches, and using advanced features right away. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.